All right, let's open the smaller box first. This one, I really don't know how to pronounce this. It's Drink LMNT. I don't know how to pronounce that. Drink LMNT. And this actually the brand that was like, we not doing PR or whatever, but we like the fact that you put yourself out there, and they had like my message I sent to them. So they was like, you know what, we still gonna send you something. We like the fact that you put yourself out there like this. Blah blah blah. Normally we have them go through a different channel, but we gonna still mess with you. I'm like, bet. I appreciate that. So this is the top of the box. I thought that was the bottom. Okay. So basically it's electrolyte mix. Electrolyte drink mix. No sugar, no caffeine, nothing. They sent me a variety pack. Let me back it up so y'all can see the box. More salt, not less. Inside the box say salty. They ain't send me no message or nothing either. Like, thanks for reaching out. Blah blah blah. Oh, they sent a variety pack with 12 packs in there. Damn, okay. So basically it's just like little packs you pour them in water, and they turn your water into like Pedialyte, Gatorade, etc. You say that's the thank you sending it. All right, let me open it up. So let me show y'all the box real fast, chat. This the box. You see the packs on the front. It's the nutritional facts. 5 calories. 43% sodium. 100 milligrams worth of sodium. Sheesh. Here's what the little packs look like. Let's see, they got raspberry salt, lemonade salt, watermelon salt, and it's a green one. Hold on. Citrus salt. Hold on, let me show y'all. Yeah, I see that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try one. Hold on, child. Let me go get a bottle of water. Which one should I try? They got citrus, lemonade, watermelon, and raspberry. Should I just try the lemonade one just to be safe? Yeah, I'm gonna just try the lemonade one just to be safe. Cause the rest is like citrus. What's that flavor? Lime or something? I don't know. I'm gonna just try lemonade just to be safe, chat. Smell like your regular, degular, you know what I'm trying to say. Smell like your regular, degular, like Kool-Aid packet or something. Alright. I hope Twitch don't ban me for mixing up drinks on live. This don't even look like lemonade, chat. Like, it literally looked just like a thing of salt water. 1,000 milligrams of sodium. That's the lemonade one, chat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you could taste the salt for sure. It tastes like the top of a margarita glass with some lemon. It's good. It tastes like Gatorade, but with a lot more salt. Yeah, it's not bad. It just tastes like a regular. Matter of fact, it tastes like a lemon lime Gatorade. Like that's what it tastes like. It tastes like the lemon lime version, but just a little bit more saltier. Like a lot more saltier. Like I can still feel the salt on my tongue, but it's not bad though. It's not bad. It tastes just like, I guess it tastes like what it's supposed to taste like. It just tastes like a lot of salt. You can definitely taste the salt. When they say 1,000 milligrams, they not lying. A gram of carbs. Yeah, they not lying when they say that. You could taste every milligram of salt, I'm gonna be honest. You're right, my bad. I didn't mean to say that. But I didn't know no other, like, what else to compare it to. Like, I didn't know what else to compare it to. I'm gonna lead him for K in soccer season. He definitely gonna. He definitely gonna mess with those. I'm drinking this brand. They just sent me some PR, so we was trying it on streams. Spin back. All right, that's cool. I'm not gonna lie. I give that like a. I for sure give that like a 6 out of 10. Just cause the overly salt taste. Like I don't mind the salt, but I don't want the salt to be lingering on my tongue after I drink it. You know what I'm saying? Like I shouldn't have the salt on my tongue. But if that's what you need, if you need sodium and potassium and something like that, like I guess that would be a good drink for you. All right, moving on to the next one, chat. Okay, yeah, I know what this is. I remember this one. So this is from FACESOFT Tile. They like a tile brand. They sell like tiles. They sell tiles. But they sell face tiles like infused with stuff like with charcoal and like stuff like that. But you know I messed with them because they wrote me back literally probably like 20 minutes later after I sent them the email. And they sent me 4 3-packs. So these is the ones that's infused, right? These are infused with seaweed. So one is like a regular tile, and then the lower ones are minis. I'm gonna unbox them so y'all can see, but these both are infused with seaweed. You know, and you can never have enough tiles in the crib, bro. And then this one is a charcoal detox tile, face tiles. It's a 3-pack. See that? And then I got these are some regular FACESOFT soft and absorbent mini sports. These mini tiles too, though. It's another 3-pack too, so y'all can see the 3 different colors. Green, I think. Oh yeah, green, blue, and pink. That's all the colors. I'm gonna just start with these because I'm gonna end up folding them up and putting them right in the closet, anyways. So this is the FACESOFT Retro 3-pack mini sport tile, soft and absorbent. smell good. Whatever warehouse they was in, they was, damn. So that's what they look like. It is regular face towels. These are not bad. It's the pink one. That's the pink one. Is this green or black? Yeah, it is green. 100% cotton. It's the green one. It don't even really look green. Really just the outline is green, but I guess we could consider it green. And then it's the blue one. You can tell this blue. They is soft though too, chat. They is soft. So those are 3 mini face towels. These the charcoal ones. They say the charcoal naturally reactivates with heat for unlimited use and lasts for life of towel. So the charcoal is supposed to be in the towels, I'm guessing. Activated charcoal technology pulls toxins and oils off your face, leaves skin clean, fresh, and glowing. So it's 3 of them. I ain't gonna show y'all all 3 because it's 3 of the same thing. Yeah, you could definitely smell. It's not no charcoal smell, but you could definitely smell like it's something in here. This one only 87% cotton and 13% ran infused activated charcoal. Y'all see that texture on that boy? What you mean you use your towel after you shower? What? You don't use 2 towels, bro? You should have a face towel and a body towel. Oh yeah, I ain't about to show all of them. They all the same thing. I was about to lift the other ones up. You don't wash your face in the shower, bro? No, spin back, respond immediately. So this one is the FACESOFT Seaweed. This is the minis one. All towels are made with love to be gentle on all skin types, but each have their own specific superpower. Seaweed for dry skin. So this is for the dry skin. He's talking about use it real quick. Pour the salty drink on your face. Man, what? This one smells good too. Got a little infused with seaweed patch. But if this the minis, what's the big ones look like? This one's 75% cotton, 25% seaweed infused. Well, that's what these look like, chat. Designed in USA, made in China. And then this is basically the same ones. This is just minis. It's the same infused with infused with seaweed. Why haven't I just been pulling them out this whole time? What the fuck am I? Why would, bro, these are literally the same size towel. Am I tripping? This is literally the same size towel. But you know what? Fuck it. This is supposed to be the mini version of the towel I just showed you, though, chat. What I will say is, though, they all extra soft. And whatever warehouse they was keeping them in, or I don't know if that's the towels just smell like that, but the towels do smell good, for sure. And they are extra soft. So I'm going to fold these up, honestly, and get to using these right away. Because you can never have too many face towels. So I appreciate them. I appreciate FACESOFT and